Grill's Gator Rack was designed for our 44-inch Sterling Patio and Patio grills in order to maximize your smoking and cooking capacity on your grill. You can think of it as a double-wide version of our infrared smoker roaster. You can actually use one side of your grill to smoke and roast, while the other side that you can grill on high heat. Or if you're cooking for a large crowd, you want the full experience of the Gator Rack. The first thing you're going to do is put down the radiant drip tray on the grates of the grill. The radiant drip tray serves three purposes. The first thing is that it's going to catch all the drippings of your food as you're cooking. The second point is that it's going to slow down the cooking process so that you really get a low and slow roast or smoke to your food. And then finally, you can actually add beer, wine, marinades, or other liquids to the radiant drip tray, and that's going to add more flavor to your food. The next thing is you're going to add the rack to the grill. It just hangs over the back of the grill, just like that. The last piece of the Gator Rack is the chip corral if you're going to be doing smoking while you're cooking your food. And the chip corral goes in front of the rack, and that's where you're going to keep all of your chips nice and neat while you're smoking. The chip corral holds up to 5 cups of chips, and you can fill it up with as little or as much as you like, depending on what kind of flavor you're going for with the smoking. When you're using this accessory, you want to preheat your grill on medium heat for about 10 minutes or so, with the lid closed. Once you put the food onto the Gator Rack, you're going to want to turn the heat down to low for the duration of your cooking time, and that's going to give you a really low and slow, wonderful temperature for cooking. The amazing thing about the Gator Rack is the sheer quantity of food that you can cook at one time, and I want to show you just how much you can load up on the grill. All right, last night we put 4 Boston butts on the grill and we smoked them all night long. They are about to fall apart tender. In the last couple hours of cooking, we added 3 full racks of St. Louis style ribs. So you can see this is enough food for about 40 to 50 people. Another option is to use the Gator Rack as an oyster roaster. You could just pour a little water into the radiant drip tray to steam the oysters. And if you like, you could put some chips in the chip corral to smoke the oysters as well. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes, just until your desired doneness, and you can smoke roast up to a bushel of oysters at a time. For more information about the Gator Rack as well as all of our other accessories, please visit the Backyard blog at techinfrared.com.